Straight lines, part 2.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, I will discuss new concept. So here, intercepts. So what is mean by intercepts? So here, if any straight line intersect the coordinate axis at a comma 0 and b 0 comma b. Okay, so here consider the coordinate axis. So this is the coordinate axis, this is both x and y axis. Here if any straight line intersect the coordinate axis, suppose this is the straight line, this straight line intersect the coordinate axis. So here at a and b, so a on x axis, b on y axis. So this point is a comma 0 and this point b 0 comma b. Okay, now your point of iteration of axis is origin. Then OA distance is what? X coordinate of A, that is A, and OB distance is what? B, that is Y coordinate of B. So see here, then OA is equal to A is called X intercept. Okay, and OB is equal to B is called Y intercept. Okay, so this is the intercepts concept. Okay, so see the note. First one, if a straight line passing through the origin, then what is the x and y intercepts? See here, this is the coordinate axis, x and y axis. Here the straight line passing through the origin. Okay, so see here clearly, the straight line is passing through the origin. This is 0 comma 0. So in that case, x intercept is equals to y intercept is equals to 0. Means both x and y intercepts are equal to 0 if the straight line is passing through the origin. And second one, the x intercept of x axis. So see here, this is the x axis and this is y axis. On x axis, what are the points? 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0 and so on. So clearly the x intercept is not defined. So similarly, the y intercept of y axis is also not defined. Okay, so these are the 3 node points. So see here next one, the equation of a straight line in slope intercept form. So see here, the equation of straight line, see here, slope intercept form means that line having the slope and y intercept some c. So see here, the equation of the straight line having the slope m and cutting off y intercept c is what? So see here, consider the coordinate axis. here this is x and y axis. So clear, this is the point of intersection of two axes, that is origin. So see here, if any straight line, suppose this is a straight line, this straight line having the slope m. See here, suppose this line makes an angle theta with positive direction of x axis, then tan theta is called slope. And cutting off y-intercept to C. So means this intercept is given. So what is this intercept? Y-intercept. So clear, this is C is given. So this point is what? 0, comma 6. Now you need to find the equation of this straight line. Okay. So see here, proof. So given m be the slope of required line and whose y-intercept is C. So this is the given data. So for finding the equation of the straight line, let P be the any point on the line. So see here I am assuming let Px comma y be the any point on line, means required line. See here, what is slope of, suppose this is B. So what is slope of PB? See here, B is 0, comma C and P is x, comma y. So clearly slope of BP is equal to what? Slope of required line. Slope of required line. So what is the slope of required line? That is m given. Now how to find the slope of 2 points? So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So slope of 2 points is what? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is y minus c by x minus 0. So clearly y minus c is equal to what? M into x. So clearly y is equal to what? Mx plus c. Therefore this is the equation of the straight line having the slope m and cutting off y-intercept to c. Okay, so this is the slope intercept form. So see here, the equation of the straight line in slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c. Okay. So in that case line is like this. This is the y is equal to mx plus c line. Now if c is equal to 0, okay, so means y-intercept is 0, then y is equal to mx represents equation of straight line and it is passing through the origin. Okay, so here put x is equal to 0, you will get y equals to 0. Therefore required straight line is what? This straight line. So clearly the straight line is passing through the origin. So what is that equation? Y is equal to mx. Okay, so in that case y-intercept is 0. Okay, so see here, next one, the equation of the straight line in intercept form. So see here, the equation of straight line having the intercepts means x intercept A comma y intercept B. Then what is the equation of that straight line? So clearly this equation of the straight line having the x-intercept A and y-intercept is B. So see here, consider the coordinate axis. This is x and y axis. This is the point of intersection of axis is origin. And see here, if any line cuts the coordinate axis at point A comma 0 and B 0 comma B, then A is called x-intercept and B is called y-intercept. So in that case you need to find the equation of the straight line. So see here, how to find that equation of the straight line? So first you need to find the slope of that line. So see here, slope of AB or AB line is equals to what? y2 minus y1, that is 0 minus b by a minus 0 a. So clear, this is m. So you know that the equation of line having slope m, and what is the y-intercept here? B only, no? And y-intercept B is what? Y is equal to mx plus c, but here y-intercept is B. So what is that equation of the straight line? Y is equal to mx plus b. So you know that m value, that is the slope of the required line, that is minus b by a. So y is equal to minus b by ax plus b. Now this is what? Ay is equal to minus bx plus ab. Now this is what? Bx plus ay is equal to ab. Now divide with ab on both sides. So what you get? X by a plus y by b is equals to 1. Okay. So clearly this is the equation of the straight line whose x-intercept is a and y-intercept is b. So this is the intercept form. So see here, next one, the equation of the straight line in point slope form. Means here, the equation of line having slope m and point px1 comma y1 is what? Okay. So see here, suppose this is the coordinate axis, x and y axis. See here, suppose this is any straight line. This straight line having the slope m, means this line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. And this line passing through the point x1 comma y1. Suppose this line passing through the point x1 comma y1. So in that case you need to find the equation of this straight line. So see here, you know that the equation of straight line having slope m and y-intercept to c is what? Y is equal to mx plus c. Okay. So clearly this equation passing through the point what? x1 comma y1. So it through px1 comma y1. So see here, this is the y-intercept. Okay, no? So clear that line passing through the point x1 comma y1. So substitute point in given line. So what you get? Y1 is equal to mx1 plus c. So from this, what is c value? Y1 minus mx1. So substitute c value in equation 1. So what you get? Y is equal to mx plus y1 minus mx1. Now send y1 left side. What you get? Y minus y1 is equals to, from first and last, m is common, you will get x minus x1. So clearly this equation represents the point slope form. Means this equation of the line having the slope m and passing through the point p Okay, so this is what point slope form. So see here next one, the equation of the straight line in 2-point form. So see here the equation of straight line passing through 2 points, that is a x1 comma y1 and b x2 comma y2 is what? So see here, consider the coordinate axis. This is x and y axis. Point of intersection of axis is origin. So see here, for example, this is the straight line. This straight line passing through the 2 points. Suppose this is a x1 comma y1 and this is b x2 comma y2. Here you need to find the equation of the straight line. So you know that slope of AB is what? Slope of this line only, no? So slope of required line is what? M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So therefore you know that the equation of line having slope m and passing through the point ax1 comma y1 is what? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now clearly what is m? That is the slope of that line. So substitute here what you get. So y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is the equation of the straight line passing through the 2 points ax1 y1 b x2 y2. So this is 2-point form. Okay. So clear, these are the equation of the straight lines in different forms. So see here note. First one, if ax1 comma y1 b x2 comma y2 and c x3 comma y3 are collinear. Okay, so then what is the condition? Then clearly slope of AB is equal to slope of BC is equal to slope of AC. Okay, so see here, this is any line. So on this line A, B and C, so 3 points lies on same line, then you say that A, B, C are collinear. So in that case slope of AB is equal to slope of BC is equal to slope of AC. So these all slopes are equal. So then only you can say that given points are collinear. So this is the first condition. Now second one. So clearly area of triangle is 0. Area of triangle ABC is 0. Okay. See here, this is the triangle ABC. This triangle occupied this area. If area is 0 means AB lies on BC and AC lies on BC. So like this, this is BC and this is A. So clearly A lies on BC. So like this. So clearly 3 points lies on same line. So 3 points are collinear. So clearly in that case area of triangle is what? 0. So that means x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equals to 0. So this is the second condition for ABC are collinear. Or simply this can be written as x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So determinant of this also 0. Okay. So this can be also write as like this. For next session we will discuss few problems.